In this lecture, I will explain usage of comments in C. By the end of this lecture, you will understand how and why comments are used in C programming. Let's get started. Comments are used to add information inside the program code. The information that we add as a part of comments are ignored by the program during execution. Comments in C are used by developers to explain the logic of code. It can also be used to tell compiler to ignore specific lines of code during execution. There are two types of comments in C, single line comment and multi-line comment. Let's understand this with help of an example. I have opened Hello World project in code blocks. In this program, I have added one more printf statement that displays the text, "This is my C program." Let's compile and run the code. If you see here, the output displays Hello World text on line number 1 and "This is my C program" on line number 2. Let's say I do not want this first printf statement to be executed. So instead of deleting the entire line, I can comment that specific line of code. In order to comment a single line of code, I will go to start of the line and type /. If you noticed here, text color of line number 5 turned grey. Here, we commented this line of code. Let's try executing the code again. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, the C compiler ignored first printf statement. It displayed the text, "This is my C program" from the second printf statement. I will now uncomment this line of code by removing /. I will compile and run the code again. Both the printf statement got executed. This means whatever code is present after // will be ignored by program during execution. I can also add some meaningful description inside the program using single line comments. In order to do that, I will go to the program and type /. This is a C program. I will now add another comment in next line, /. Below two statements are printf statements. Let's compile and execute the code. The output displays text from both the printf statement. These single line comments did not affect the output of the program execution. If you are getting value out of this video, can you hit like button? Let me know how are you finding this video so far by commenting below. Let's talk about multi-line comments. If you see here, I have commented two lines using two single line comments. Instead of using two single line comments, I can use multi-line comments. I will remove these single line comments and enclose these two lines within /* and */. If you see here, everything enclosed within /* and */ is commented and turned grey. Here, we are commenting multiple lines all at once. This is called multi-line comment. Let's compile and run the code. The program ignored everything within /* and */ and displayed the output on the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Try it out on your computer and let me know in comment section if this video helped you understanding comments in C.